In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GetResponse webinar registration page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to switch on, and how to make sure your audience can sign up smoothly and receive the right communications. Start inside your GetResponse account. Whether you're creating a new webinar or updating an existing one, head to the Webinar section, then choose Manage Webinars, and open the webinar you want to work with. This is your main control room for everything related to that event. Look for the registration and subscription settings area. Here's the key move. Turn registration on. This single switch activates your registration form and makes the page live so people can actually sign up. If registration is off, your audience won't be able to register, so it's worth double-checking this before you move on. Next, choose which GetResponse list registrants should be added to. This matters because the list you select becomes the home for everyone who signs up. A dedicated list for each webinar keeps things organized and makes it easier to track engagement, segment follow-ups, and keep your campaign data clean. If your account uses confirmed opt-in or specific policies, make sure the list settings align with how you want to manage subscribers. You'll also see optional settings for reminder emails and consent fields. Reminders are your best friend for reducing no-shows. Consider scheduling at least one reminder the day before and another shortly before you go live. Keep the subject lines clear, include the date and time, and make the join link easy to find. It's simple, but it dramatically improves attendance. For consent fields, if you operate in regions with data protection requirements, such as GDPR, add the appropriate consent checkboxes and clear explanations of what people are opting into. This builds trust and helps you stay compliant. Keep the language straightforward so your registrants understand exactly how their data will be used. When you're satisfied with these settings, save your changes and finish creating the webinar. Saving applies everything you just configured. With registration turned on, your form is active and ready to accept signups, and your list and reminders will work as planned. That's the full setup. To recap, open your webinar from Manage Webinars, switch registration on, select the right list, optionally set reminders and consent, and save. With those pieces in place, your registration page is good to go, and your audience will have a clear, reliable path to join your event.